To check your Chase travel credit, start by logging in to your Chase online account or mobile app. If you are not already enrolled, you can sign up for online access on the Chase website. Once you have logged in, navigate to the credit card account that offers the travel credit benefit, such as the Chase Sapphire Preferred or Chase Sapphire Reserve. Next, look for the Rewards or Benefits section of your account, where you can find information about your available travel credit. This section may be labeled as Travel Credits or Annual Travel Credit. Click on this section to view the details of your travel credit, including the amount available and any expiration dates. You can also check your travel credit by contacting Chase customer service directly. They can provide you with information about your available travel credit and help you redeem it for travel purchases. To contact Chase customer service, call the phone number on the back of your credit card or use the secure messaging feature within the Chase online platform. When checking your travel credit, make sure to review the terms and conditions of the benefit to understand how it can be used. For example, some travel credits may only be redeemable for specific types of travel, such as flights or hotel stays. Others may have restrictions on how the credit can be used, such as requiring a minimum purchase amount. To get the most value from your Chase travel credit, make sure to use it before it expires and to redeem it for travel purchases that align with your needs. You can also consider combining your travel credit with other rewards or benefits, such as points or miles, to maximize your travel savings. By following these steps and understanding the terms and conditions of your Chase travel credit, you can easily check and redeem your travel credit to book your next trip. Remember to always review your account information and benefits regularly to stay on top of your available credit and to make the most of your rewards.